So we at Progra offer a wide range of coding courses for students in grades 3 to grade 12. We offer Python, JavaScript, HTML and CSS. We offer Node.js, React.js, Core Java and Artificial Intelligence, Spring Boot, Machine Learning, TestNG, JMeter, Scratch, Docker, GitHub, MySQL, Mongo database and much more. And we have different levels for each of these programming languages and tools and platforms. So we have levels like beginner, intermediate and advanced. Each course is designed with multiple levels to accommodate students of all skill levels. For example, Python may have two courses like Python for beginner and Python for advanced user. Similarly, we categorized our programming languages and all other tools and platforms in such a way that we'll start with the basic and then slowly we move to the advanced level. That's all for the day. Thanks everyone. Have a great day.